Health officials are on high alert as the state of Alabama is experiencing an unusually high amount of flu activity, not even 2 months into the flu season.
In fact, the number of confirmed cases is driving up hospitalizations once again, like we saw during the COVID pandemic. WDHN's Robert Smith Jr. takes a look at the number of influenza cases being seen here in the Wiregrass.
Although the flu season started in October, health leaders are already monitoring a high number of influenza cases. According to the Alabama Department of Public Health, a map shows Alabama as one of the 3 states with the heaviest flu outbreak. The Wiregrass has the highest influenza-like illness percentage in the state.
It's been a big shift for us going from having, record numbers of COVID infections, each month it seems like, to that sort of kind of tapered off, and then the last 3 or 4 weeks it's been almost nothing but flu.
Dr. Buddy Stokes, who works at the Southern Clinic, says his staff is seeing a high volume of patients coming in with flu-like symptoms, along with patients needing a regular checkup and end-of-the-year exams.
If you see 20 to 25 patients a day, there's probably 5 to 7 that have flu symptoms, and probably a couple of those will be positive. You multiply that by 10 providers, 15 providers, it really adds.
He says the flu is taking a toll on his staff. He just got over it himself, and nearly 10 employees have been out any given day the past few weeks. There's no limitations to the flu, but as of right now, most of the severe activity is among children. The ADPH reporting the highest since 2008.
It's a little bit daunting for pediatricians right now.
Each year, over 20,000 children are hospitalized with influenza. And at this point in Alabama, pediatric hospitals have reached a breaking point as they are overwhelmed.
They have frequently had to be on diversion, which means that they have had to turn away kind of less severe children that needed hospitalization but may have not have needed that level of care.
Reporting, Robert Smith, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.